Hi and welcome back. So today we're going to be doing checking the tread depth on the tires. But before we get started, I have a contest. You could win a $100 Visa E gift card potentially. So in the description of this video will be a link to the contest. Check it out. You'll see all the rules and how to enter. Super easy. So let's get on with it. So to check your tread depth, you're going to need a gauge. I got this one at AutoZone. You can get it online, Amazon, anywhere. It's common. It's about 10 bucks, maybe 20. It's not complicated and it's not hard to get. So you have three buttons. You have inches or millimeters, on, off, and your 0 button, which is important. And this here is where you push. That's the gauge, okay? And then you push it back in. So I'm going to turn it around, get it focused on the tire, and show you how it works. Okay, so what you want to do, let me get the gauge in picture here. So first thing you want to do is turn on the gauge, right? And you're going to get some numbers. You want to put it on a flat section here and push in from the back. And then when you'll get some kind of reading, you want to zero it out. Now you're ready to measure. So you put it over the tread, and you push this tab. Make sure it's held down and push the tab. And then you get your depth. So in this case, 0.23. And you check the next one, 0.25, and so on. So that's it. That's how you do it. So that's it. It's as easy as that to check your tread depth. You can do it yourself and see if you need tires. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you next time.